Hello everyone. I've been given this pair of pants to alter today for someone's prom that is today. It needs to be taken in on both sides. And before I get into this video, I would like to let you know that I do not do alterations. This is for a family member and they just quickly needed it and I'm doing it, but I do not do alterations. So please do not request alterations from me because I will not do them. Just putting that out there. Anyways, this pair of pants here is designed so that you don't have to have it show where you have taken it in on both sides. There is actually a lot of seam allowance here down the center of the pant, and there is a center seam in the waistband, and there's two small little places here where the waistband is pinned to the pant. So she had it marked at 5/8 on each side that needed to be taken in. So I'm just going to mark it on both sides. And this tailor's chalk does need to be sharpened, but I just haven't gotten around to it. And then we have to grade in from here so that it's not all, bunched up when I do this. So I'm going to have to take some off of here in order to make it grade into this. And I need a ruler for that. We're just going to go slightly below where I have marked it. And we're just going to pin it together and sew it in. And that way, if this person ever does get bigger throughout the years, then these pants can be put back in the same place that they were and be just fine, because we're not going to cut any fabric. This will be the perfect time to mention that the pants alteration thing is one of my most common alterations that I make, and I do have another video about that here on my channel. If you'd like to check it out, then I'll try to leave a link to it down in the description box below and also somewhere here on screen. And while we're at it, I might as well mention that if you haven't already, please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that notification bell to receive updates. So I'm just going to baste this in place to begin with, and then if I need to make any changes, I will. I'm just going to baste it first and then sew it together. So that way, if there's any problem with this, I can correct it. Okay, so I think that this looks pretty good so far. So now I'm just going to go back and permanently sew it down. And I am going to back stitch a little bit here just to ensure that this person's pants don't rip on the dance floor. Okay. Okay, and we should be good. Still a place here where it's slightly messed up. But I think that looks pretty good. Now I'll just iron it and we'll be good to go. I know that video footage ended pretty abruptly, but I really was in a hurry to get everything done and to get the pants to my relative before the prom started. And if any of you are listening who are going to the prom next year or in the future, please do not wait to the last minute for any sort of alterations. Also, please do not wait to the last minute to get your tux or your dress, because it takes time to do alterations, as you have seen from this video. So I'm just going to leave y'all with that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.